Introduction. Why we write, why we record, why we report. From time immemorial, societies have taken great care to pass down their stories, the grand feats of their predecessors, the lessons of their failures, the shape of the world as they found it. Through oral tradition, through myth and legend and folk tale, an extraordinary amount of human knowledge has been preserved across generations. Ancient literature speaks to us across light years of time, allowing communication with the long dead. History, then, is the ultimate form of conservation. The protection of knowledge, by means of the written record, perpetuates ideas and shapes the mentalities of the generations that follow. What do artists do if not perceive what is invisible to the ordinary eye, and then find a way to make it visible? The musician hears what is not yet there, and draws it into being. The painter sees exactly where the brush should touch the canvas, how intensely and for how long. The writer finds the words that are simply absent from most people's vocabulary. The historian works in this same tradition. The mere registering of an event is rarely enough to capture the genuine atmosphere and significance of what happened. Something more is required: the right descriptive tools, the right analytical framework, so that the past can be properly reported, not merely listed. What you are about to watch is a series built in that spirit. What follows is a series of observations drawn from real events, case studies that can be applied to other situations, other lives, other cultures. Through personal stories, theoretical concepts become easier to internalize. The abstract becomes concrete, the foreign becomes recognizable. The framework comes from two figures who are, arguably, the founding fathers of intercultural communication as a discipline. Through chronemics, the way human beings use time, we see how entire civilizations organize their days, their deadlines, and their relationships. Through proxemics, the way human beings use space, we understand how close people stand, how wide they build their streets, and what it means when someone steps too close or stays too far away. These are not abstract academic categories. They are the invisible rules that govern every conversation, every meeting, every moment of friction or connection between people from different parts of the world. That is the goal: not to rank cultures, not to declare one way of living superior to another, but to build the kind of understanding that makes the world genuinely more navigable and occasionally more forgiving. These videos will not replace the original readings. That is not their purpose. If they inspire you to seek out the books themselves, to sit with Hall and Hofstede and let their ideas work on you over time, then this series will have accomplished its mission. We hope you have as much pleasure with those as we did when we first encountered these theories. If they happen to change the way you see the world, then we will have done our job. Welcome.